Let's try to understand about the GPCR signaling in glycogen synthesis. In this condition, we are taking the GPCR receptor only for the synthesis of the glycogen. For this, we need glucagon hormone. The glucagon hormone and insulin hormone both are released from the pancreas only. What they will do, they are released in a different condition, but the pancreas only responsible for the release of these two hormones. So whenever we are taking sugar molecules, means like we are having lots of sugar, ice creams, or etc., what will happen, our blood will get increased lots of sugar in us, in our body, in our bloodstream. So what will happen, this insulin will release from the pancreas and it will decrease the amount of the sugar from the bloodstreams. But in the condition in the glycogen, this is completely different. So whenever we are not taking lots of sugar, for example, you are in the fasting mode, so what will happen, glucagon will release from the body, from the pancreas, so it can increase the blood level in the body. So when the body is not having enough amount of the sugar in it, means glucose in it, so the glucagon gonna do the function. So what we are doing here, we are forming the glycogen, we are forming the glucose with the help of glycogen, and we are forming the glycogen with the help of glucose in this condition. Okay. Also, we need to understand, in this insulin process, we do not need to phosphorylate this glycogen synthase, but for inactivation of the glucagon process, we need to phosphorylate glycogen synthase in this condition. How this is working, let's try to understand. First of all, our body is storing some amount, a good amount of the sugar in our body, okay, stored in the form of the glucose. So where it can store, it can store in the liver or it can store in the muscles. So you can think this is either it could be muscle cell or it could be liver cell. On this muscle or liver cell, the plasma membrane is having some sort of receptor known as GPCR receptor. When the glucagon release and it will attach on the GPCR receptor like this, what will happen? The C-terminal region will get activated with the GEF function. So what it will do, GEF will attach the GTP on the alpha subunit. So beta and gamma will remain stay in this region, but the alpha, when it will get the GTP, what it will do, it will move towards the adenylate cyclase. So after moving the alpha subunit towards the adenylate cyclase, what it will do, it will form the camp with the help of ATP. Okay. So camp is formed here. So the pKa concentration, means pK also starts synthesis in the cell. So in this process, you can see there are two things going to happen. Either it could be inhibitory process, means glycogen synthesis should be inhibited. Or what we can do, we can stimulate the glycogen synthesis. So when we are doing the inhibitory process and the stimulation process, you can understand it very easily. When you are having, for example, this is your muscles, okay? In this muscle, you are having some space to store some sort of the glycogen. After filling this whole space, what you will do, you can't store anything, right? So what you will say, no, I don't want to do in, I can't store anything, so let it be, just stop the process, don't send any glycogen inside the cell. So at that time, the inhibitory process gonna happen. So in this process, what we will do, we will do the glycogen synthase inactivation. So we will add the phosphate on it, so it will get inactive and glycogen synthesis not gonna work here in this condition. But when the body is needed glucose and I want to produce more glucose in the body, so what will happen in this process, the glycogen phosphorylase kinase gonna be get activated through the phosphorylation on it, and it will get activated, and this glycogen phosphorylase will activate the glycogen phosphorylase. You can see here the kinase is present and there is no kinase is present. So glycogen phosphorylase will get activated and it will get the phosphate with the help of the glycogen phosphorylase kinase. Okay, this is the molecule is activating this molecule. After glycogen phosphorylase get activated, what it will do, it will activate glycogen synthesis breakdown gonna happen. So the glucose 1-phosphate will form. So in this condition, the blood will get the good amount of the glucose. So whenever you are not having the glucose in your body, but when I want to deactivate, means there is no glucagon is producing in the body. So what will happen, you can see here. So for example, there is no glucagon came on and attach on the plasma membrane receptor. So what will happen, the CAM synthesis will not also form. So because of that, the pKa will also not get activated. In this condition, the phosphorylase will not happen, but the phosphatase gonna happen. Phosphatase will come and it will remove the phosphate from everything. So what it will do, it will remove the phosphate from the glycogen phosphorylase kinase. So it will get inactive, and this phosphatase will remove the phosphate from the glycogen phosphorylase also. Also it is means phosphatase will remove the phosphate from the glycogen synthase. So what it will do, it will do activation because it is in the inactive condition and it will become in the active form. So what will happen, the glycogen synthesis is going to happen in this process. You can see the same things is written here. There is no glucagon is came, so the CAMP is not forming, so PK is not forming. So in this condition, phosphatase will come and remove all phosphate from the glycogen phosphorylase kinase, glycogen phosphorylase, and glycogen synthase. Everything gonna be dephosphorylated. So they both are, means glycogen phosphorylase and glycogen phosphorylase kinase will be get inactive condition, means they both are inactive. But this one is get in active condition and we are synthesizing the glycogen. In this condition, the means muscles and liver cells are having good amount of space to store the glycogen. So this is get activated. If you like it, please make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe.